Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for all of you in Zone 6A, the planting schedule. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, knowing when to plant is key to a successful garden. Stick around as we break it all down for you in simple terms. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our community of plant lovers. Now, let's talk Zone 6, a planting. Alright, let's kick things off with understanding Zone 6A. This zone covers regions that experience cold winters with temperatures that can dip quite low. If you're in this zone, you'll want to work with plants that thrive in these conditions. Now, onto the fun part, the planting calendar. We'll break it down by seasons to make it super easy for you. Spring is when things start to come alive. As soon as the frost clears and the soil is workable, typically around mid to late March, it's go time for cool season crops like peas, lettuce, spinach, and radishes. These plants love the cooler temperatures of early spring and can tolerate a light frost. Remember, patience is key. Don't rush it if the soil is still too wet or cold. Moving into early summer, around mid to late May, it's time to transition to warm season crops. This includes tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and squash. By now, the soil has warmed up nicely, providing ideal conditions for these heat-loving plants. If you're starting from seeds indoors, aim to transplant them outdoors after the danger of frost has passed. It's like giving your plants a green light to soak up the sunshine. Now, as we hit midsummer, think about succession planting. This means sowing seeds for crops like beans, carrots, and beets for a continuous harvest throughout the season. Harvesting your own veggies is incredibly rewarding and keeps your garden productive. As the days start to shorten and temperatures cool down again in early fall, around late August to September, it's time for another round of cool season crops. Think kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies actually taste sweeter after a light frost, making them perfect for fall planting. Plus, the cooler weather helps prevent them from bolting too quickly. Finally, let's talk winter prep. Before the ground freezes, it's smart to mulch your garden beds to protect the soil and any perennial plants you have. This helps retain moisture and provides insulation against the cold. Also, don't forget about planting bulbs for spring blooms. Tulips, daffodils, and crocuses planted in the fall will surprise you with vibrant colors come springtime. And there you have it, the complete planting schedule for Zone 6A throughout the year. Remember, gardening is a journey, and each season brings new opportunities to grow and learn. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite plant to grow in Zone 6A? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video.